Hi there, good to see you. I was just about to polish this pair of hiking boots for my daughters, and I thought, you know what, they've been really good, and she's done a lot of hikes and climbs over the last 12 months in these, so I thought I'd give a little bit of a review for them. I thought they would be deserving of a review. What they are, the Mountain Warehouse canyons, and I think they go up to about size 5, I believe, possibly size 4 adult. All leather, obviously the standard kind of modern sole, non-welted, which is good for the rocks and the scrambling, of course. Loops and then hooks at the top, semi-bellows tongue, fully waterproof. And yeah, they're pretty decent, you know. They weren't a bad price. I think they were normally retailing, this is in 2021, at about 50 quid, I think, £50 UK. We had them on the many sales that Mountain Warehouse do. So she got them at a good price, and she's spoke very highly of them, really. So yeah, most recommended. The model is Canyon Kids Leather Hiking Boot, and recommended. So we've been up Helvellyn, Snowdon, we've done the Ben in them, various through trails. So you know, they've certainly earned a mention, to be honest. I would recommend. The one thing I would say did happen about 9 months into their use is one of these hooks broke off, which is a bit of a blow. But in fairness to Mountain Warehouse, she took them straight in and replaced them like for like, no quibble. I didn't even have the receipt. Should have kept it, but I didn't. You know, just took those in and gave me an exact like for like replacement. No problems at all. So that kind of is well worth buying from there, if nothing else. Because I know there's certain places that I won't mention that, you know, even with the receipt, it's a struggle, shall we say, you know, even if it's a manufacturing fault, as was this case. But the replacement ones have been spot on, and they've done some great hikes. So anyway, yeah, I thought I'd mention it, and there we are. So yeah, so kids, Canyon hiking boots, well worth a buy. Again, being fully leather, you know, does aid in water, you know, in keeping them, keeping your feet dry, or their feet dry, rather than the sort of the lighter hybrid type boots that you probably wear in the summer. They come in black and brown, if you wanted brown. So